What are you eating?
Yeah, I'm eating chotpate.
Chotpoti. Chotpoti is
Yeah, do you know?
yeah, I know because Nepal and Bangladesh not so far from it's a South Asian country, it's a neighboring country, so there are a lot of culture matches
Yeah.
in those countries. Many
You mean
people,
to say similar things?
yeah, similar thing from Nepal and Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Uh, Here in our countries, uh, girls like to eating chotpoti, fuchka. It's a common for girls person.
Huh.
Yeah.
Here too. Yeah.
What's your
Uh, well,
yeah? What's your first language?
I can speak both Nepali and English in fastest way I can.
Ah,
I can speak Hindi too.
okay, you are more talented. Uh, uh,
Just an average.
yeah, I can hear a lot of Nepali language, so I tell you some sentence and you translate it Nepali language. I wanna
Okay.
hear you from you. Yeah. How are you? Translate it in Nepali.
How are you?
Yeah.
I guess. Okay, wait. I guess. कस्तो छौ?
Ostha thau. Ostha thau. Yeah, it's so nice.
कस्तो छौ?
Are here in Bengali language, just my mother tongue, my language. তুমি কেমন আছো?
Oh, it's hard.
No, not so hard from Nepali language. Uh, I first we make a play. First I tell in English, next you tell in Nepali language, and I tell you Bengali language. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
I like you.
म तिमीलाई माया गर्छु ए म तिमीलाई मन पराउँछु
আমি তোমাকে পছন্দ করি।
Did you understand?
Yeah, here Bengali language we say আমি তোমাকে পছন্দ করি।
Oh, I know some of the Bengali.
Yeah.
कस्तो छुम त
Tell what you know Bengali.
I know something like wait है वडाकम Bengali है
Yeah. Uh,
don't you guys are Bengali right?
right. You are right. I am Bangladeshi, so I am a Bengali. Before
Okay.
before I
So
know,
do you watch like Tarak Mehta?
I don't know.
Do you watch Tarak Mehta?
Tarak Mehta.
Mehta. उल्टा चश्मा तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा
No. No.
You don't watch that so very famous Indian show, Indian serial. You must watch it.
we we are not watch a lot of Indian serial because Indian serial watch our some women, especially women, girls. They look
Okay.
they like to watch Indian serial.
Okay, I want
Uh,
to ask something.